Resumed demolition of several areas in River Park Estate in Abuja has got many residents demanding a halt to the action by FCT authorities. Speaking with Arise News, a legal practitioner, Abdul Karim Musa, describes the situation as a crisis that requires urgent legislative intervention. He maintains that Adeniro Ogunmuyiwa is the rightful owner of the property and noted that the matter is currently before a court of competent jurisdiction, hence the bulldozer should not have rolled in again.
Within the documents that I have and the information within my disposal, the lawful owners of this company, Jonah Capital and Houses for Africa Nigeria Limited, are Nigerians. The Nigerians are Adeniro Ogunmuyiwa and his wife. They are the lawful owners of this company. The circumstances surrounding the claim by some Ghanaians that they're the owners of the company are very, very mischievous. Because if I must go on a history lane, this company was first incorporated by the Nigerian couple Adeniro Ogunmuyiwa and his wife.
According to him, the court had issued an order restraining any demolition on the estate pending the determination of the substantive case. An order he alleged was ignored by the Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA.
There is a pending court order against such demolition, and if a state authority like the FCDA,
but the Federal Capital Territory Administration, FCTA, has defended its action. The Senior Special Assistant to the FCT Minister on Media, Liri Olayinka, tells Arise News that the developer violated rules and regulations guiding the project.
I'm not aware of any court order, but government has said that you no longer own this place. And government has also gave directive that any undeveloped land should no longer be developed. And I'm talking about like 5-6 months ago. I have been there with the minister, with people from development control like 2 or 3 occasions. And the directive was that no structured, all undeveloped land should remain undeveloped. But because those people feel, they know that, okay, they believe that they can always find their way, nothing will happen.
He maintained that FCT authorities are acting within the law and taking what he describes as normal administrative action to address alleged infraction on the sides.
If you are saying you have a court order, the court order will most likely be to the effect that status quo be maintained. The status quo will be that you should not also build. If there is a court order, the court order will be to the effect that you should not also build. The court order will be to the effect that what was obtainable as at the time you went to court. I'm not saying that is assuming but not considering that there is a court order.
The conflicting positions have continued to fuel public debate with calls for an open and impartial process to clarify the legal, regulatory and ownership issues surrounding the River Park Estate demolition. Abidin Sikiru, Arise News.